Assalamualaikum student. Today we discuss the topic that is the internal energy. What is the internal energy? The internal energy is the sum of all the kinetic and potential energy of all the particles that compose the system. So, what is the internal energy that is represented by U is the sum of the total energy, that is the potential energy plus kinetic energy. The total energy is internal energy U. So here the what is the potential energy of the system? It is the attraction between the molecules of the system. If two molecules they attract each other, they are the attraction between the molecules. These are the potential energy. And what is the kinetic energy? Kinetic energies, there are three types. Kinetic energy may be due to the translational energy, may be vibrational energy, and it may be rotational energy. Now we discuss the which factor the internal energy depend. Internal energy depend on the initial and final state independent of the path. If it is independent of the initial and final state and independent of the path, so it is a state function. What is a state function? State function is with those quantities that depend upon the initial and final state and independent of the path. Internal energy that is changed from initial state to final state U1 to U2. This is the initial state and this is the final state. Initial state and final state. Internal energy that is represented by U. So initial state is U1 and final state is U2. We can change to initial state to final state by giving heat or by doing work. By doing work or by giving heat, we can change the internal energy by initial state to final state. So change in internal energy represented by delta U, that is U2 minus U1. So here we write internal energy change when energy is transferred into or outside the system in the form of heat and work. Now we discuss the internal energy of ideal gas. Internal energy of ideal gas. Internal energy of ideal gas depend on the temperature only, because potential energy of ideal gas is zero due to the intermolecular attraction between them is absent. So ideal gas possess only kinetic energy. We know that internal energy is the sum of the kinetic energy plus potential energy. Internal energy that is represented by U is equal to kinetic energy. Potential energy is zero because of the intermolecular attraction between them is absent, so it is zero. So internal energy of the ideal gas is equal to the kinetic energy. It is used for the ideal gas. If it is the, we know that the kinetic energy is directly proportional to the temperature. Thus, the internal energy of an ideal gas depends only on the temperature.